Welcome to Life with David. I'm David, and today I'm dealing with a stubborn Black and Decker waffle maker. It's a flip waffle maker, and recently it hasn't been opening up after the waffle is done cooking. There's nothing worse than smelling a great waffle cooking only not to be able to get it after it's done. So why don't you join me while I try to fix this waffle maker? I'd like to spend a moment on safety. There's nothing more important than keeping you and your loved ones safe. Be sure to read, understand, and follow the safety rules for your tools. Using your tools properly will greatly reduce the risk of personal injury. And always use the appropriate eye, hearing, and respiratory personal protective equipment. In this video, we'll be working on the latching mechanism for the waffle maker. As long as you let the waffle maker cool before you work on it, you shouldn't have any problems. Now let's get started. Flip waffle makers have an interlock that prevents them from opening when they are in the flipped position. The interlock also holds the waffle maker in the upright position when it is open. When the interlock fails, the waffle maker might not close, might not open, or might roll over sideways when the cooking grid is open. I've experienced all of these symptoms with this one. This waffle maker is about 9 years old. Except for the interlock, it works great. I think the interlocking mechanism is just dirty and sticky. Let's see if we can free it up. First, I roll the iron about halfway so I can access the screws that hold on the front end plate. I made do with my faithful number 1 Phillips screwdriver, but a longer screwdriver might work better. After removing the 4 screws that hold it on, I remove the end plate. This exposes the interlocking mechanism. Next, I remove the 2 screws that attach the interlock to the main frame. Then I pull the interlock off and separate the front and back of the interlock housing. The mechanism is relatively simple. I can see just a little rust stain on the 2 clip levers, and the plunger appears to be sticking. I wipe the mechanism off with a damp paper towel to get rid of the stickiness on the sliding surfaces. Then I add a little silicone grease to the clip levers and douse the whole mechanism in silicone spray. Everything seems to work much more easily, so I reattach the interlock to the main frame. Then I attach the end plate to the main frame. One tip when installing coarse thread screws into plastic is to turn the screws backwards, counterclockwise a little until you feel the screw click into place. Then tighten the screw. This lets the screw use the existing threads in the hole, avoiding trying to cut new threads. Once the end plate is on, I test out the interlock. It works perfectly. Time to make the waffles. Thanks for joining me today. We've freed up the interlock on my flip waffle maker. Now I'll be able to get my waffles out before they burn. It only took a few minutes, but it saved the waffle maker from the landfill. After examining the interlock mechanism, I think you might be able to free it up by simply soaking the plunger and levers with silicone spray, which is even easier. If that doesn't work, then you can remove it and clean it like I did here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. And leave a comment or suggestion for things to do. I hope to do more of these videos, so please subscribe and click on the bell for notifications of new videos. Let's get together next time for another day in Life with David. See you soon.